Hey, welcome back. This is Kim. Today I'm going to tell you about a really cool tool inside of Excel. It's called Quick Analysis. I've been using Excel for a long time, and I just recently found this, and it's very, very helpful. At least I think it is. So here's some data that I already have entered. It's just a sales report for some offices. Not important really what it is. I just want to show you how this works. So if you highlight all your data, this little button here, it's the Quick Analysis tool. So what you do is you click on that, and it will give you little bars. So you can look at each one. So this is the red or the lower, green are the higher numbers. Some icons if it gone up or down. Greater than, I'm not really sure greater than what, but greater than something. That's text. There's nothing. So here's some charts. So it shows by office different charts, so you can see how much each office has sold. So it's interesting. You could pick whichever one you want. Let's say you wanted one. Just click on it, and there you go, and you can add it to your document. I'm going to undo it, but okay, we're going to go back here. Zoom back in. But anyway, so that's, I'll show you again. It's because there's more things in here. Okay, so that was some charts. So this automatically summarizes each column. That's the sum of each column. This is the average for each column. That's the count, which is the number of items in each column. Percent for each column over the overall total. Here's a running total. And then this adds the sum of each row. Then we've got tables. An idea what the table's going to look like. Some pivot tables and sparklines, which are really cool. So the sparkline, that won't really work well because we have text in there. Let me show you. So if we just pick the numbers without the text, oops, there we go. Now if we go to the sparklines, this is kind of cool. A sparkline actually shows you the overall, let's just click that. So it added a sparkline. This is a sparkline. So this person, Mark, started kind of high. His sales went low, then high, then low. And if you look, that's true. The same thing. This person's a more gradual, started lower, and has moved up higher as the time went on. So this gives a good overall picture without trying to figure it out yourself by looking at them. Looking at each number, you get a little visual. So anyways, that's fun. So let's go back in and see what else we got here. Okay, we got the sparklines, so the charts. Anyways, it's interesting. So you can easily pick one of these charts. You can create your own. Same kind of stuff. But this is built in, and you don't have to do anything to get it. Another thing I wanted to show you real fast is down here, it also will tell you the average. The count of the items is 180 total, and the sum of all of these numbers. So, yeah, I mean, that's without having to figure out any formulas on your own, without doing any calculations. It's just by highlighting the data. So that's very useful. The other thing I kind of wanted to show you is, like you're in a cell and you can move around by pressing your arrow keys. You can obviously do that. You can click. But let's say you don't want to raise your mouse and you're just you're in January. If you hit Control, it quickly moves you to the end of each row, column. So it helps you get around faster on the document. Another thing I kind of wanted to show you. So let's say, sometimes you'll have a sheet and like it's cut off some of the stuff. Just kind of want to do this so you kind of get an idea what I mean. So you can't really see all the text. You could go in and manually highlight this little bar and slide everything over. But if there were a whole bunch of them, you could do it automatically. You just click on this top left box here, and it highlights everything. And just double click on one of these, and it'll automatically adjust everything to fit the longest string of text in that row and column. So this was the columns, obviously, but we could also do it on the rows if we had, you know, a couple with double lines or something. But like if you don't like it when it's squished, then you could go up and manually move them around a little bit. If they're all highlighted, it'll move them all. So anyways, it's kind of fun. So like September's kind of cut off still, so we'll go a little bit bigger. Oops. There we go. This one, the names are cut off. Anyway, so that's that. Anyways, Excel's fun. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you found it helpful. Please like this video and subscribe so you can find me again, and I'll see you next time.